Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the extrude, fillet, mirror, and rib. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and create this sketch. We will make the base first, okay? And the first thing that we'll make, we will create a center line here and another center line here with 100 millimeters and 120 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select line, a construction line, make a construction line here with 100 millimeters, and create a construction line here with 120 millimeters. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point, select this line and the center point. And now we will create these two arcs, this arc here and this one. This arc has 12 millimeters of radius, and this arc here has 22 millimeters of radius. And the center of this arc is at this point, and the center of this arc is at this point. So go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here on this point. The radius here 22 millimeters. Remove the construction line type, and the radius here is 12 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point, this point and this point. And now we will make this line here. This line is tangent with the both arcs. So select the line, click here in this point and in this point here. Go to constraints and select the tangent. Select this arc and this line, this arc and this line. And now we will make this circle with 12 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here in this point, 12 millimeters of diameter. And now we will make this two line and this arc. This arc is concentric with the circle, okay? So the center of this arc is in the same center of the circle, and the distance between these two lines is 22 millimeters. So select the line, make a line here, make an arc and another line, and go to constraints and select the concentric, select this arc and this circle, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines is 22 millimeters. And now to create the same in the other side, go to create, select mirror, the object, select this line, this arc here, this two line, this arc and this circle. And the mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. Now to create here and this side, go to mirror again. Select this line, this arc, and this line here. The mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. We made this profile, so finish the sketch. Now we will extrude the base, and the first extrusion will be 15 millimeters of distance. So go to extrude, select this profile, 15 millimeters of distance and press OK. And show the sketch one again, go to extrude, and this profile here we will extrude this 30 millimeters. So select this area and this area, the distance here 30 millimeters and press OK. Hide the sketch one, we made this body here, and now we will create this cylinder and this rib here. So to create this, we will select the right plane and create this sketch. And the first thing that we'll make here, we will create these two circles with 28 millimeters and 46 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this circle and the midpoint is 67 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Select a circle, make a circle here with 28 millimeters and another one with 46 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension, the distance between this circle and the midpoint is 67 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select the center of the circle and the midpoint. And now go to create and select the project included, project, and the selection filter, select specified entities and select this face here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And select line, a construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a construction line between the midpoint and the center of the circle. And now we will make this line here, and the angle between this line and the center line is 20.5 degrees. So select line, click here in this line and click here in the circle, remove the construction line type, and go to constraint, select tangent, select this line and this circle here, and go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 20.5 degrees. And now go to mirror, select this line, and the mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. Finish the sketch, show the body one here. We need to extrude this area first. This area has 12 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this area here. The direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance 12 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. Show the sketch 2 again. And this pipe has 32 millimeters of length. So go to extrude, select this profile. The direction symmetric, and the measurement whole length, and the distance here 32 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. Hide the sketch 2. We made this part here. And now we will create this fillet with 6 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here and this edge here, 6 millimeters of radius, and press OK. And now we will make this rib here. Let me remove the red lines here. We will create this rib. Okay. So the thickness of this rib is 4 millimeters. And to create this, we will select the front plane and make this line here. The distance between this point and the midpoint, 25 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, go to create, and select the project included, project, and the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. Select a line, click here in this point, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and the midpoint is 25 millimeters. Finish the sketch, show this body here, and go to create, select the rib, and the profile, select this line here. The thickness here, 4 millimeters. Maybe you will need to flip the direction. If the rib shows like this, just flip the direction, okay? And press OK. Now to create this rib in the other side, go to create and select the rib, mirror, and the object type, select the features, the object, select this face here, and the mirror plane, select the right plane, and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish your exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.